Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Trendysuryakantham. It's me Hasini. It has been a long time since I've uploaded videos, so I'm back with an art and craft video of a parrot. So here we have glitter colored foam sheet. We cut it into straps like this as shown. So for one parrot we need 2 strips. So according to the number of parrots you need to cut that many pairs of strips. So first we'll take a strip and then twist it like this as shown, and put another one inside through it and twist it, pull it through the loop again like this. Then we need to staple or stick the other two ends together to get the shape of a parrot's body. To get the perfect shape of a parrot's body, we need to pull the 2 strips from both the sides together and to make it perfectly. So according to the number of parrots you want, you can make as many as you like. After that, we need to trim the head and the tail of the parrot and add beaks to it and stick it together. Stick it together with hot glue or a stapler. After that, add eyes, beaks, tails and any other details you want to make it look good. We actually stuck cardboard chart paper for the beak, and for the eyes we stuck pepper balls, and it really looked good. So this is the final outcome of the parrots, and it looks really cute though. We used it for many birthdays, functions and parties, and it matched so well. So that's it for this video guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Trendysuryakantham. Bye bye.